Hi everyone, welcome to FMM, Frequently Made Mistakes for NEET PG INICET, Part 3. So I'm Dr. RMD, I'm NEET PG strategist, and today we'll be discussing how to make perfect timetable when any number of days are left. We'll take an example, 150 days are left. In part 1 of FMM series, I told you that 45% of the time should be allotted for revisions and 55% of time should be allotted for first read. That means if you have 150 days left, which means that out of 150, 80 days will be for your first read and 70 days will be for your other revisions. So let's go to the first read. How much time should you allocate for each subject? So we have total 80 days, and for these 8 subjects, as I told in part 2 of FMM series, we allot 7% of time each, which is approximately equal to 5.5. So each of these subjects will get 5.5 days each, 5.5 days each, based on something known as priority factor, also known as yielding factor. 5.5 days each for these 8 subjects for first read. Similarly, these 6 subjects will get 5% of the time each, which is approximately equal to 4 days each during first read. These short subjects get 2% of the time, that is approximately equal to 1.5 day each during the first read. So first read we have 1.5 day. When you calculate all the and add up all the number of days, it will come to approximately 80 days. Now we'll see how we are going to divide this for revision phase. In part 1, I also told you that whenever you divide for revision phase, there should be 3 revisions. Whatever time is left, that is in this case 70 days, must be divided into 3 parts. That is this is total 45% of whatever time is left, because 55% we had given for first read. So whatever 45% time is there, in that we'll be giving 25% for first revision, 10% for second revision, 15% for second revision, and we'll be giving 5% for third revision. As a result of which we have total 70 days. In these 70 days, we'll be dividing it into following, which will approximately correspond to 35 days for first read, 25 days for second read, and last 10 days for the final read. So now you have how many number of days. Now you will calculate how many days are required for each subject. So for first revision, that is second read, you have total 35 days, and you know that each of these subjects should get 7% time each. That means each subject will correspond to roughly 2.5 days here. Here each subject should get 5% of the time, so which will correspond to almost equal to 1.5 days each, and this will be completed in whatever time that is left. This is how you create timetable, a perfect timetable which balances both yielding factor and the content to be covered, so that you can get maximum output in limited amount of time. Thank you.